Okay, so we are back again. Sorry, we got totally disconnected. So, welcome back, guys. Sorry, I think there's some connectivity issues. Thank you for joining back. Rocky, let me. मुझे लगता है कि 4-5 बार और करना चाहिए था टेस्ट का।
चलेगा यार चलेगा।
चलता
जब तक ये
है।
लोग पकते नहीं हम लोग करते रहेंगे।
नहीं नहीं, पब्लिक पक्का नहीं, पब्लिक से अपना ही है रे, मोयर ही है तो। हेलो रविया, वेलकम वेलकम टू मोयर्स कनेक्ट। सुचित, हाय सुचित, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? My dad also joined now. Okay, great. Chalo, sahi.
I-
Okay, so you're talking.
yeah.
How did you get into, how did you get into modeling? You told me that you were into Sangvi, right? Sangvi College, and you got an opportunity there, and you got a mentor as well. Yes. So then, on how did things move? And if I got an opportunity, kitty.
Things were pretty good. പിന്നെ opportunity to
Okay.
കുറെ പണിയാക്കാൻ നല്ല project കിട്ടോണ്ട് പോയി. After
Okay.
that, but there was a thing that I had to work. Okay, because ഇപ്പോൾ ചെല്ലെങ്കിൽ societally a model is not accepted, or let's say he's not looked upon. So that was my thinking at that point of time. So I started working. Nani events company join. I was into corporate jobs. So
Correct.
modeling took a back seat. Okay. Then it was just happening, but again, like me being a rebel and a wild child, and I corporately ara sustain aketla. I was just working in the corporates for the I think 6 years at the most. And then it was like it was my calling again. Pinna fitness lo
Correct.
na fitness li banna. And then pinna so this beard thing came up. So actually 2 years back there was
Yeah.
this
What is the
big
thing about beard? Like,
actually yeah. Yeah, a lot of people have this question, why the beard, right?
so number bas.
Chilling,
ठीक है. Yeah.
ठीक है.
So the
So,
beard, दाढ़ी
nani,
देखने का there is a question. There is a दाढ़ी देखने का कितना. But I don't.
record
You
കേക്ക്
earn.
മാറിയത്.
So I least a paisa undu nano. Enakku ontu undu.
Oh yes, yes. I'll let you know. So, even
Yeah,
nani
please.
A standardly, my facial hair started coming out when I was in A standard. Nani shaving
Oh.
ಆಗುವ ಚಾಲು ಆಕೆ 9th 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ. പിന്നെ കോളേജ് ആയിക്കൊണ്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ ഐ വാസ് ബോർഡ് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് ഷേവിംഗ്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് എ ബേൺ ഔട്ട്. സോ ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും ബിയർഡ് വെച്ചോണ്ട് പോണേ. ഐ മീൻസ് നോട്ട് ദിസ് ലോങ് തുള്ളി സ്റ്റബൽ
Correct.
യാ ഫിർ തുള്ളി യാರ ബിയർഡ് അങ്ങനെ. Then in 2018 I met with an accident. So അതിൽ ഞാൻ 2 to 3 months bed ridden ഉണ്ടായിന്. ചേട്ടാ ബെഡ് ridden ടൈമിൽ ഷേവ് ആക്കുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻ ഇല്ല, എന്തിനാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ലെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ഗ്രോ. After growing, then our time actually let me come to my old shape again, because accident kalinandari competition then I won the nationals, and the 1 week pinna I met with this accident, and yeah, so actually let me get back to my old shape again. Adu a banne pinna nani shave aku. So by it took me at least 10 to 12 months to get back to my old shape. Let's see an year. Adu thoda beard nalle belle aitunaini. By God's grace, appo beard in the fashion over side by side. So I was signed up by Beardo, the new company, the Beardo company that's there, for their
Correct.
commercial. ಅದು pinna ustra sign aki use അങ്ങനെ കിട്ടോണ്ട് I was lined up with 7 to 8 projects at the end.
നിങ്ങൾക്ക്
Pinna
ചെറിയ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്
that whole year.
beard ചെറിയ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് advertisement കിട്ടുകൊണ്ട് പോയി.
Yes.
Great.
So that was so basically your modeling contract is from anywhere from 3 months to 1 year at a stretch. So based on this contract, nani nande look change ako sadya illa ya hourly keka de nai cut up sadya illa endilla
Cut out.
this is one of the yeah. So it went on growing. Pinna 1 year I pinna I got my first movie Sami 2 on the south.
Awesome.
So that was
Okay.
also because of this look.
With
Okay.
movies right now, I want to talk about the title that Nikori bodybuilding le title created on it 2017 में.
Seven,
Correct?
2017 and 18 both.
17 and 18. So what was that all about? And then you tell us about the accident that happened, and then again also you competed, and then you got one more title, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Can you please tell us about that?
So Nani, there's two things. One is bodybuilding competitions, and second category barno sports modeling, yeah, men's physique challenge. So these are
Okay.
like natural bodybuilding. Like it's not that ki ninku yara size irkona, yara muscle irkona. No, no, it's just overall fitness. So I used to participate in all of this. So 2010 was the first time I won Mr. YMCA. That was a district level Mumbai competition. Then I won a
Okay.
lot of university competitions. So 2016 and 17 I won Maharashtra titles. 17
Wow.
nani or state level Maharashtra title I men's physique, and in 2018 January 7th. So this was the nationals where I was the second runner up, but still top 3 in a national is a very good thing for me.
Correct.
So I was very happy, and 10th was my birthday, so I flew to Goa. So I was having a good adventure time there, and
Good
I
time.
slipped down a cliff and well fell into a rock like
No,
big time below.
yeah, in a
Uh-huh.
side. You Goa പോയി.
So Goa,
So
I
how did
was nande paragliding ello aikonu. Just after paragliding, when I was stepping out, I fell from a cliff. I fell to a rock.
Okay.
I dislocated my shoulder, my collarbone, everything. So I was rushed into a surgery. So after that, 2 to
Okay.
3 months, I was bedridden. I was immobile. I couldn't do anything. Upon
Oh
ande
my God.
opus, yeah, I came to my college school
That's
weight. I was one,
yeah.
yeah, I went to 120 kgs again from like 85 to 90 kg. I was like shifted to 120 kg of pure fat. Then, yeah,
My
then I had to come back. So because I was into training people there, and Coral, a lot of clients look up to me for their inspiration. I train a lot of athletes. So இப்போ
correct.
நானே கம்பேக் ஆக்கிட்டு எங்க அத்லீட்ஸ்னு ஒரு எங்கத்த மெசேஜ் பாஸ் அவுட் செய்யிட்டு ஐ வாஸ் லைக் ஐ ஹேவ் டு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் மை செல்ஃப். So I started transforming myself post 3 months. Doctor చెల్లిட்டு
Mhm.
1 year or జిమ్ పోబాయిలా బైక్ నడిపికోబాయిలా chuck it. No.
Okay.
So I started back again. I started with my physiotherapy friends. With their help, I did my rehab, got back to my diet and my workouts. By January 2019, I was back into my old shape. And I competed again. I just competed in a district level competition. Just Nandari confidence ki I am back to my old shape. So I won that,
Correct.
and that was something like aa gaya main वापस. That's it. So that was a break then. So yeah, so that
Wow.
was the whole story behind.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah. It takes a lot to come back to what you are really doing. I know I've also gone through a bit, but yes, that's a great thing that you've done. Coming back to okay, I understand the modeling and everything. How did you get into movies and that too mostly South movies? How did you get into it?
See, South Lee Chellengu Dadi undenga ningo villain. As simple as that. Okay.
Okay.
Dadi body, pinna fair skin. You are termed to be a villain there. So
Why
this
is
was
that?
another one of my mentor, one of my casting agency. So I was doing a shoot for one of the sports brand. He comes to
Okay.
me. Oh, sorry, she comes to me. She was Poonam, I guess. Yeah. Banedi
Okay.
chalna, are you free for 5 days at a stretch? Mala entai. Or shoot undu. Mala ठीक है.
Mhm.
Pon. Mala ठीक है. They booked my tickets. I didn't ask. I didn't bother to ask. I thought it's a sports shoot again. I reached Chennai. I was there. And in the waiting room, Vikram sir comes in. Vikram Chia.
Okay.
So I was like, shit, this is something big. then it's a 2 days workshop. Our train how to use the cable, how to do the scenes and all. Third, fourth,
Mhm.
fifth day, we started shooting. We completed the whole shoot in like, let's say 10 days. And that was an awesome experience.
So
And
that
the pinna Audatulli, yeah. So I got
that
some
was
face recognition there. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. So
okay.
then after that, I got a lineup of 3 to 4 movies at a stretch. I still have three
Wow.
movies to complete, but due to Corona, everything is on a halt. So I guess I'll start resuming those movies from January or February
Can
2021.
okay. Best wishes for all your movies. I have a
Thank you.
small clipping of your movie. Let me see if I can show to our audience. I had kept it handy, so you can see this. Uh, can you see this? Are you able
I
to see this?
can.
Yeah, if you can, then everybody can, I guess. Okay. Let me go back again on this. Okay, here, there you are. So, guys, that's the villain. This is yuck.
I was made to eat 25 pan for that scene, man.
Is
My
it?
tongue was burning. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So that's the one, and we have one more clip with me. Let me see if I have that. Okay. This is also one more clip, but this has a sound also. There you are.
That's with Pawan Kalyan. Yeah.
Oh. So guys, so that's a hidden character that Mr. Rocky plays. Awesome, yeah. Like it's good to know that you're getting into so many things and getting recognized. I know how much it takes to get into 'em. Was it easy? I mean, yeah, they came to you, and once you got into one movie, did I na baki movies kitton easy aya, or was it difficult, or are you trying to
See,
pursue
Nanka,
something?
see, the first thing is I never tried to pursue it, so I never felt it was hard or for easy. So it
Correct.
came to me. So I am very grateful that everything comes to me by fluke or by luck or whatever it is. But again, I don't
Correct.
chase behind it. So and the baddega going do ninka hard edu irgadu.
Correct.
Whether it be
Correct.
food, clothing, shelter, or your movies. If you run behind something, it will be a chase for you. So that's what I
Correct.
know. So, Nane in the Badeka Treponla. It's let's say South, if you are talented, it's very easy. Okay.
Okay.
In Bollywood, if my first movie in Bollywood was Wake Up Sid. So and I shot for that movie like that was in college. So I was like, nanka belle screenly kittu no nanna. I worked like for 15, 20 days at a stretch. But I was also paid. No point of that. But at that point, the payment was not a big issue. I wanted to look myself with Ranbir Kapoor on the
Correct.
screen, but the whole scene was edited.
Oh,
I was heartbroken. But again, right now I don't care if it's I come on the screen. I don't give me my payment. Let me go. I'm enjoying the whole thing. That's how it is. So yeah, so Bollywood, it's more of it's not let's say it's more of a family kind of thing. It's not nepotism. Nepotism is favoritism in Bollywood.
favorite.
Tollywood
Correct.
langane illa. Yeah. So
Okay.
Tollywood, if you're talented, if you look good, if you can do something on your own, you're always welcome there. And they are very
New
professional
faces.
in terms of shooting. Yeah.
New faces also they are welcome.
New faces are always welcome there. They won't repeat the same thing again and again. If they want to
Okay.
put my same look again in the next movie, so this time they have straightened my hair for something. So that's how it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's why I was wondering. Yesterday evening we had a call, and you're all curly guy. I had promotion. I was doing all the promotion to curly guy, and suddenly the straightening of the hair. But you're looking really nice for this, and all the best for your upcoming projects. Tell us something about the entire traveling. You're a total biker, so
Hmm.
you travel the entire India, I guess you covered the entire India. So, how did this
Yeah.
passion came in, and what were the challenges, or is it just fun that you do it, or what is it all about?
Basically, it's a getaway for me. It's like a therapy. Okay, so
Okay.
in school, I was an introvert, so atre friends illa ini nanku. Okay, so
Okay.
I used to sneak away, ride my friend's dad's bike. So me and my friend,
Okay.
we were just 14, 15 years old. Po uncle le Bajaj Chetak edutidnamo. We just used to go away. So
Correct.
that's how I learned my biking thing. But me and one of my best friends back then in college, we
Hmm.
bought our first bike for some 4,000 rupees. Okay, we chipped in
Okay.
2,000 rupees. We bought a Yazdi, and I started riding that. So, but the best part is it gave stuck, I guess, line, and I'll share the story.
My
Okay,
bad.
can you hear me now?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah. So, yeah, I can hear you clearly.
Awesome.
So once I started riding, it was like a getaway drug for me. It was like अरे घर का चिरचिर नहीं, office का चिरचिर नहीं, college का ये नहीं. It's just me, my bike, and the road. So my first ride was at one day I just woke up like रात को 1 बजे मतलब नहीं यार नहीं जम रहा है. Let me go. I'm all frustrated. I took my bike, went to Lonavala. Okay, at that time there was no GPS, there was no maps. Like it was just the paper maps that we used to carry, and we used to
Correct.
read blogs in our that Nokia का पुराना मोबाइल आता था उसमें 2 KB के स्पीड में वो पढ़ के जाने का. So that was I reached there at pitch dark. It was scary, it was fun, it was adventurous. So that caught on to me. After that, there was no stopping. I traded that bike for a bullet. I started riding. Then I made friends like that. And it just started, it just began. Then one time when I left my corporate job, when I thought of taking the huge break, corporate job छोड़ा जो भी PF का पैसा आया लेके मैं लद्दाख भाग गया. As simple as. So वहाँ से I started the journey. I went to Srinagar, Kashmir, then came down the mountains, had a break. Then after 2 months, I went to South. I did Kanyakumari, everything. And yeah, that's how it started. Yeah.
Wow. So, what was the most adventurous trip of yours, the entire India that you traveled? Some challenging, some incidences that while traveling that you met with someone. Yeah.
Okay. It was my latest one. My Northeast ka boy for I was there for a month. Okay, so this is while coming back. So Barboku, there was all foggy. I was not seeing anything, and I was attempting this record of breaking the 800 kilometers in 12 hours. It is known as the LDR record, long distance ride records. Okay, so it's an American certified record which we attempt. So I was like, it's a big stretch. Let me do it. So after I finished that, I was going towards Lucknow. I was at Faizabad, now Ayodhya. So I just halted my bike to take a leak. Atramboku, we pitch darkly, there's something, Arito Nadko on the sidely. But I was like, Oda Nikkane Banda, Poi. So Nani bike start, light on apple and there were deer in the face. Okay. So I was like, wow, such a cute animal. When it stood up, it was 7 feet in height. I was like, what the F is this? And it started chasing me out of nowhere. And I was like, I was riding my bike at 100 kilometers an hour. It was still chasing me. I was like, what kind of deer is this? This is so long. So like any which ways I reached like some 30, 40 kilometers. I saw a dhaba. I stopped my bike. I was like freaking out. This is Nilgai. Okay, so I never knew what a Nilgai was. A Nilgai is an animal found there. It's like a blue. It's a cow. It's basically it's the family of reindeers. It's like 7 feet in height. It jumps. It runs like a horse, and it's huge. It can crush cars on its way. So they were like, "You're lucky. You just waded a big Nilgai, and you're safe." That was the scariest experience so far on my road trips.
My God, that was really scary. I thought you're talking about some ghost, but this is animal.
Ghosts were still better, yeah. The animal.
Any ghost stories while you're traveling?
There are a lot, but I never encountered one. Was like,
Okay. Okay.
I guess मेरे से डर गए रहेंगे. I don't know.
बाल खोल दिया रहेगा तुम. Okay, just joking on my part. Okay, so great. So I think we have. Would you like to add something we don't know about Rohit?
Nothing as such. If you have any questions, I'll just answer it. But I think everyone knows about me. The close ones know about me. Who don't know, they don't know nothing about me. That's as simple as that.
Or is it? Okay. Okay. So, what are your plans of settling down, Rohit?
It's Moyer's Connect of Sudesh is turning into Coffee with Karan now. Wow.
I would love to do. I'm restricting myself because of Moyer's Connect.
Yes.
Pass.
Okay. can't help it. Okay, so settling down. Actually, I am settled down. Yeah, I'm settled down is life. I don't know what you mean by settling down, but I am very well settled in my head, in my life. In which ways, I am very much settled now. So I don't know what kind of settling these people are talking about.
I love to see you embarrassed. I don't know somehow. Just joking.
pass on this question. Okay, so you are a fitness freak. So obviously, so हमको तुम्हारे डोले शोले देखने थे. So can we have your bicep?
नहीं यार अभी
अगर
इतने नहीं है.
अच्छे खासे से दिखा ना बराबर एकदम. मैं तो शर्ट उतर आने वाला था. अभी फिलहाल देखो
नहीं
मैं
नहीं
bicep.
नहीं सेंसर बोर्ड का थप्पा आ जाएगा.
Just joking. I have a question. How do you keep yourself fit, and what is your message to everyone in terms of youngsters and of all age group? How do we, or what is your suggestion, inputs to keep ourselves fit? Because pandemic, everything is happening right now. Also, so still you're looking very fit. So what is your takeaway for everyone?
So just a simple thing, just take fitness as a daily task for yourself. Don't treat it as something new that you have to do. Okay, and be very mindful in what you eat. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके गाड़ी में आप देखते हो ना पेट्रोल जाता है कि डीजल, पानी थोड़ी डालते हो. सो आवर बॉडी इज ऑल्सो मशीन. वी हैव टू ऑल्सो सी वॉट वी हैव टू पुट इन साइड योर बॉडी. सो आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, कचरा खाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट टेस्ट गुड, खाते रहो खाते रहो खाते रहो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ईट योर पिज्जाज, ईट योर बर्गर्स. बट अगेन इफ यू सी नागड़े मुन्नते जनरेशन, नागड़े अज्जा अज्जिंदोर, what they used to eat, just fish and rice, right? Mini curry chore, but they used to live a healthier life, longer life, and just a simple reason, they ate clean. They ate the same food again and again. So make this a habit of eating the same thing again and again. Keep your food as simple as possible. Okay, and make sure that you at least walk, at least to get your daily stuff. We have missed that. I have seen people just to go to the Kali Baji Kondboro or bike li boari, like actively boari. Stop doing that. Go for a walk. Go for a night walk. Have a walk after you have your food. Don't, and sleep better. ಇದು ರೀ ಬೆಲ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು இப்போ லாக்டவுன் ஆய பின்ன ஆரி வரங்கன்ல சரி எல்லாரும் நெட்ஃபிளிக்ஸ்க்கு போயிட்டு மூவி நோய்க்கொண்டிருக்கிறாரு. ஜாவ் 3 o'clock 4 o'clock ஒருத்தர மொபைல் இருக்கிறாரு பின்ன.
One second. Let me check my dog. 1 second. That's every time there's a dog.
Till then I'll take the questions here.
Huh?
I'll take the questions here till then you come. I'll take over the show.
Yeah. No. Questions. There are endless questions provided we continue. But yes, fitness. Okay, my dog is being taken care of.
Okay.
So,
Sharat Anna, no, rice is not a problem. Rice is a miracle food, man. Have it daily. If I say what's the secret for my body, it's rice. It's just rice and chicken and fish. That's it. So I eat a lot of rice.
Protein and carbs, is it?
Protein and carbs, yes.
Okay, great. So, what is your takeaway for youngsters? Like, see, you did a lot of things. You did your BAc, then you did modeling, then you are into movies, then you did grown a beard. So, what is your takeaway for the youngsters in regards to their career, or someone who wants to get into modeling or anything? What is your takeaway?
See, for the youngsters, take risk as much as possible. Ari ante chellori nirkanda. Parents don't support akala startingly. They won't. See, the best part that happened to me was my parents didn't support me. But the best part that happened is they didn't stop me from doing what I want to also. Okay. So the message to the parents here, or endo agatti, just make sure that they are under control. Or ki yara force akanda endo aku. Ente akondadu aki. When they are young, okay. So when I had a lot of failures, I failed in a lot of things. I failed in a lot of business too. Okay. But I was young. I could come back very easily. Or age aipina, you can't risk failing. Okay. So for the youngsters, I would say break rules. Break as much rules as possible. Just don't break the law. As simple as that. Experiment with your life, man. Experiment. ಎಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ಹಾಕಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಹಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರಗ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಕೋಬಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನಿದು ಟ್ರೈ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಔಟಿ ಅದು ಔಟಿ. ನೋ, you have to at least take a step to what you think you can do better. Prove to the parents, prove to the society that you're doing it very well. And if that happens, trust me, your whole family will support you. Okay. 10 years back, if I had told my parents, nanka dadi belle hakondu, nanka bike li India tiriyondo, they would have just slapped me in the face. But I just did it because I wanted to. So it's your life. Ipo chalna really, you only have one life. And I see people doing drugs and saying this thing, but no. Live your life, enjoy every part of it. Make sure that when you are in your deathbed, everything that comes in your head makes you live again. So take the risk, break some rules, do what you love, and trust me, people will follow you or support you in what you do. So as simple as that.
We spoke
And
about
I guess Sudesh, you also do the same thing because I know I also hosted shows initially, and people were like, "Anthony show host, but you are still doing it. You have made a career out of it. So a big round of applause to you for that." Okay.
thank you.
So I know people will tell a lot of things, and especially in our family, it's not their fault. Okay. Nangale moyarlina nokina ಅವರು ಚೆಲ್ಲೋ ಇದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ
Yeah.
they are not seen it. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಕಿಟ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ కి ಇದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ನಿങ്ങളുടെ ಮೂಕು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಹಾಕೊಂಡ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ if you this is for the parents, okay, your son, your daughter is your blood, so don't let others tell you what they have to do or what they don't have to. You have created them, support them, control them, do whatever, but don't do that because someone is telling you to do that to someone else. So that's my suggestion to all the parents listening here. Put your children into all the extracurricular activities. Let them dance, let them sing, let them be embarrassed if they want to, but this is what will make them learn and be confident in the future. Make them street smart, as simple as that. हमें तो स्कूल में ये कोई नहीं सिखाता है. स्कूल के बाहर भी दुनिया है, तो आप लोग सिखाओ क्या कर सकते हैं क्या नहीं. Just don't stop them. Don't put barriers in their legs and hands so that they don't do anything. Let them do it. Let them break some rules. Let them face the punishments also. They will learn like this. So, but let them do it at a very young age. एक age के बाद मारी पड़ेगी. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होने वाला. So that's how it is.
Correct. So we have Hunar 2020 as we told you, and everybody knows. So Hunar 2020 namale moyare event barne ko ali namo kore activities undu where we can show our talent. Again, don't stop your kids. Encourage your kids. Namale moyarli namka namale kids platform kittengi. They'll get an experience. They'll get a support from everyone. And when they go out and really follow their passion, they'll be all ready to face the world. So this is one of the opportunity I feel, because हमारे टाइम में इतना opportunities नहीं था, because media
अभी भी नहीं है यार, अभी आ रहा है. 2 years back भी नहीं था.
अभी और अलग ही barriers है.
Exactly.
The time passes and when these opportunities are coming, so हमको नहीं मिला तो we should encourage our kids to do it. So I want maximum registration coming out for Hunar 2020 from all the Moyers. And let all our Moyer kids participate and make this event a very, very, very successful event. थोड़ा promote करना पड़ता है अपना Moyer से. सब promote.
अरे करेंगे ना यार, और करेंगे.
Moyer का promote नहीं करेगा तो और किसका करेगा?
Exactly.
Okay. So हम लोग ने इस बारे में पूरा बात कर लिया, लेकिन when we were talking, I was about drugs, because when we say drugs or any addiction, so what is your thing? तो addict होना है कुछ अच्छी चीज के लिए, but nowadays the youth and everyone is going towards that. And so what is your say on that? And I want you to give some good, because एक नशा होना चाहिए, सक्सेस का होना चाहिए, पैसे का होना चाहिए, but जो चीज आपको डुबा दे, will destroy yourself, तो ऐसी चीजें ना करें. So what is your take on this?
सबसे बेस्ट थी मैं,
because you've been with so many celebrities and everything, what is your, you must have seen people coming literally down. I don't know.
Yes, yeah. So coming to that, as I told you, I was into modeling, and trust me, जो ये न्यूज़ में आजकल सुन रहे हैं कि सब लोग करते हैं, सच में हम लोग करते हैं. Okay, अगर मैं बोलूंगा मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया, वो भी झूठ रहेगा. हम लोग के फैमिली में मैं भी बोल रहा हूँ मैंने भी ट्राई किया है. No, I also tried a cigarette, but why? Because all my friends used to do it. But again, the best part while growing up was I was alone. I took my decisions alone, so I knew ये मेरे को किधर आगे लेके नहीं जाएगा. And that happened because one of our very good-looking model, very good-looking guy, he got drug addicted. Okay, and we used to see him in rehab. इतना अच्छा दिखने वाला बंदा जो लाइफ में कुछ और कर सकता था, he is just sitting in a rehab doing nothing, and he has no other thing to do now. He has gone back to Kashmir, his hometown now. He is doing some business. So we have seen life को नीचे जाते हुए. हाँ, वो आधे एक घंटे के लिए अच्छा लगता है parties में. Yeah man, this is cool, everything. सब लोग अच्छा लग रहा है, लड़कियां कर रहे हैं, लड़के कर. But at the end, you have to take responsibility for your life. You have to ask just two questions. Where is this taking me? After 5 years, will this help me be a better person than today? अगर दोनों का आंसर yes है, करते जाओ. दोनों का आंसर no है, leave it then and there. Anything in life, not even drugs, anything that you are taking a decision into.
You, it kills your family. The people around you suffers with that addiction. So my takeaway also to all the youngsters is, okay, you're young and you want to try a lot of things, but don't make it a habit, because it will not even ruin you, it will ruin the entire family. Entire family, something happens.
See, that's one thing my mom used to always tell me, okay? Too much is too bad. Whether it's of a good thing also. So when it comes to nutrition also, if you drink a lot of water also, it's bad for you. Okay?
Correct.
So addiction में बोलता हूँ किसी चीज का मत रखो, obsession रखो. Okay? For fitness, I have an obsession of fitness. मैं एक दिन जिम नहीं करूँगा मेरे को, फिर भी I'm okay. Some people are so addicted to fitness, उन्होंने जिम नहीं किया, कांपने लग जाते. खाना ठीक से नहीं खाया. So don't make, yeah, so fitness को भी addiction मत बनाओ. Okay, so there should be a balance, a thin line of everything that you do. At the end, you should enjoy doing it. So there should not be addiction of doing it daily. For me, I can take a break from fitness for 1 week. I'm good to go. When I travel, I don't touch my dumbbells, not at all. I plan my travels that way. I'm not on a diet. I'm a big time foodie. I go out. If I am in Kolkata, I'll eat the rasgullas, whether I'm on a diet or not. So that should not be addiction for anything. Let it be drugs. Not even your fitness, not your studying, not if your पैसा. किसका भी addiction मत रखो, वो लेके ही डूबेगा तुमको. Okay. Just make sure that you're passionate about something. You're doing it wholeheartedly. That's it. You will be good in life. As simple as that.
Correct. Okay. हम लोग जिम जाते हैं and we see a lot of Nankukuri supplements, the protein boxes, and you know. So, would you like to tell something about the supplement? How is it good, bad, or is it just curious about it? So what is the science behind it? Since you're
see supplement pair chelle pole, it's just a supplement. It's not your food. Ipo na nokna ella ipo Herbalife adelu tinnondu ullari. I'm not against, not with it, because whole food is the main thing. Okay, rice, roti adulu tinnonu. If there's something missing, you supplement it, right? When you supplement something, when you don't get it from your whole food. So supplement is not a bad thing, but again, people make it a habit of taking their supplements. They are like, "Arey, मैं powder नहीं खाएगा, मेरा body नहीं बनेगा." That's a wrong notion. Okay. For example, some parents say कि नहीं यार, whey protein is steroids. No, it's not. It's not that way too. We parents only give our kids supplements from the start. What is Cerelac? Cerelac is a supplement, right? What is Complan? What is Boost? They are supplements. So just whey protein is something. For example, we won't get proteins in our daily food. We can't eat chicken daily. I'm a person who eats 500 grams of chicken daily, but if someday agar nahi liya, I take a scoop of protein, that equates the thing for me. So you have to be very well knowledgeable, and you should know why are you taking that supplement for. Okay, it should not be something that you're just dwelling on कि अरे ये tablet खा लिया अभी मेरा body बन गया, मेरा health अच्छा. No, 80% should be your whole food, your घर का खाना. Because अभी 20-30 साल से हम लोग घर का हम लोग खाते आ रहे, अपना इडली, डोसा, राइस, दाल, फिश. अचानक से एक साल में आपने सब बदल दिया तो क्या होगा बॉडी का? Your body will lose its health, it will lose its fitness. So always use supplement as a supplement to something that you're already eating. So if someone misses out this point, it's very bad for you. If you know how to use the supplements, it's one of the best things that can happen to your fitness. As simple as that.
मेरे को लिटिल क्यूरियस, मैं भी थोड़ा फिटनेस का पूछ रहा हूँ. तो अगर किसी को लीन होना है, लीन और बल्किंग में क्या फर्क?
Lean as in you have to lose fat, right? See, ये नोशन आया रहेगा बॉडी बिल्डिंग से, जो अभी कभी आप देखते हो कि लोगों को बल्किंग करना होता है, कुछ लोगों को कटिंग करना होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता actually. Bulking and cutting is when you are into a competition. Okay.
Okay.
So when we have to gain much of a muscle size, we go on a bulking spree where we eat a lot. We keep on eating every hour. Okay. For a normal fitness thing, it's not necessary at all. If you eat according to your goals, leaning is just losing your fat. अभी समझो आप खड़े रहोगे, you are muscular enough, but again your body is covered with a layer of fat. वो fat निकल गया, you are lean enough. You will be having the muscle. So just make sure that you're eating accordingly to your bodily goals. You will get lean. ये bulking cutting वाला system निकाल दो. It's nothing. Until and unless you're an athlete who is competing on a stage, bulking or cutting ये वाला चीज आना ही नहीं चाहिए आपको. It should be just overall fitness.
Okay, so for daily routine, what do you suggest? Like, for yourself to keep fit, you already said, and you need to walk, you need to do your basic running or whatever. So what is? Can you elaborate on that? एक अगर मेरे को fitness रहना है, मेरे को fit रहना है, मेरे को bulking नहीं करना है, मुझे जिम नहीं जा रहा हूँ मैं, तो मैं घर में भी अगर करूँ, अपने आप को fit रखूँ, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ? No equipment.
See, this is one more. Yeah, this is one more myth. सब लोग को लगता है fit होने के लिए जिम जाना जरूरी है या कार्डियो करना जरूरी है. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. इट्स जस्ट आपका एक्टिविटी लेवल होना चाहिए. ओके, एक्टिविटी लेवल एज इन अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम देख लो, सब लोग 12-12 घंटे लैपटॉप के ऊपर बैठे हैं, उधर ही खाना मम्मी उधर लाके दे रही है, पानी भी उधर लाके दे रही है, हम लोग चल ही नहीं रहे. ओके, एक्टिविटी लेवल एज इन इफ यू पुट एनीथिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैव अ कार, आई फिल इन द पेट्रोल, फुल टैंक कर दिया है, कल को वापस पेट्रोल भरने का जगह ही नहीं, आप पेट्रोल भर पाएगा क्या? तो पेट्रोल कम करने के लिए क्या करोगे? गाड़ी को चलाओगे. सो सेम विद आवर बॉडी. If you are eating food, we have to use that energy too. So at least for that, what I suggest to all my clients is, at least try to walk around every hour. Okay, not that कि एक घंटे में आप 8,000, 10,000 step कर लो. From the point you get up, till the point you go to sleep, make sure that you're walking at least 8,000 to 10,000 steps. आजकल वो fit band आ गए हैं, मोबाइल में आ जाता है कि how much are you walking. So at least make sure that you're walking 8,000 to 10,000 steps, or at least you're going for a walk in the evening. Okay, your body should be moving. It's a machine. The more you put a machine into a stop, you put it into hibernation, ज़्यादा problem देगा. So treat your body as a machine. Keep oiling it, greasing it, feeding it with the proper fuel. It will be fine for life. As simple as that. People forget this basic thing. And हाँ, सबसे main thing जो public भूलती है is drinking water. Okay.
Correct.
बचपन से हम लोग पढ़ते आ रहे, वी आर 70% बॉडी, 70% वाटर इन आवर बॉडी, राइट? बट व्हेन आई से टू पीपल कि आपको दिन में 3 to 4 liters ऑफ वाटर पीना पड़ेगा, दे फ्रीक आउट. अरे मेरा किडनी जाएगा, मेरा ये जाएगा, मेरा हो जाएगा. दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. आई ड्रिंक अराउंड 6 liters ऑफ वाटर पर डे. So it depends on my body weight and everything, with the muscle size. But for a common average guy, for a female, 4 to 5 liters of water is much necessary. And to give an example of this, अभी समझो बाहर बिल्डिंग के बाहर पानी पड़ा हुआ है, उसमें मच्छर जमता है, राइट? इट क्रिएट्स अ lot of problem, right? Same with the body. When you drink less water, पुराना पानी बॉडी के अंदर है, it is holding a lot of toxins. Until unless you put more water, it won't go out of your body. So make a habit of drinking a lot of water. Yeah. So you have to drink, flush out, drink, flush out. People have a habit of holding their pee for long hours. अरे सुसु जब एकदम जोर से आएगा तो ही जाऊंगा मैं. That's also very bad. That's the major thing for kidney stones. Don't do that. Drink a lot of water. Go to your pee. It's nature's call, man. Don't stop it. So these are the simple things we have to keep in tab when we have to get fit. बाकी सब जिम विम जाना जरूरी नहीं है.
So about the food, you said that you need to keep consistent food. हमको उसको ज़्यादा change नहीं करना है. I mean, regular diet के लिए what do you say? Like, what are the things that should be included in a normal diet? Keep yourself
See, if I say my diet का मैं अगर लिस्ट दूंगा तो it's just rice, dal, some vegetables, fish or chicken in the whole day. I have been eating this for a long time now. No changes in this. No avocados, no broccolis, no fancy stuff. That's all fancy. That's all fancy name. Our Indian bodies are used to basala, palak, this all sabji, not cauliflower, broccoli and everything. So हम लोग के गांव में जाके मैं बोलूंगा ब्रोकली खाओ, जुकीनी खाओ, they'll just hit me with a cucumber. वापस चले जाओ बोल देंगे. So yeah, so just keep your simple food. Just only thing is you have to know how much and how to eat. So that's a saying. There's this island in Japan. they have the highest living habitat of humans there. Average lifespan ही उन लोग का 95 to 98 years है. Okay,
Oh.
so that's the saying. That's an old saying for these people. Heat half of your hunger, smile more, and make others happy. This is the secret to long life. So जितना भूख लगता है, see भूख यहाँ से लगता है. Okay, it's your mind. Now also someone sees someone eating a काजू कतली, अरे यार मेरे को भी खाने का है, ला टेस्ट आ रहा है मुंह में. अभी मैं बोलूंगा उप्पेरी, पिकल, अचार. ये तीन नाम उप्पेरी, अचार और पिकल बोलूंगा, अभी आधे जन के मुंह में पानी आ गया रहेगा. द टंग स्टार्ट्स पुटिंग आउट वाटर नाउ. दैट्स योर माइंड प्लेइंग द गेम विद यू. ओके, so you should have to eat just for your hunger. That's in your belly, not your mind. So when you do this, you have control of your body. Now the food is controlling ourselves. Okay, your food is controlling you. You see someone drinking water, अरे मेरे को भी पिला यार, प्यास लग रहा है. If you eat something, अरे आज मेरे को केक खाने का मन है, let me eat some cake. Your food should not control you on what you should eat or not. It's you. When you control the basic thing like eating a normal food, you will, trust me, you will control all your life. As simple as that. You won't have to think twice about others taking decisions for you. You will take your own decisions when you can take small decisions of what you want to eat every day. That's how it is.
I think it's a goal, something that you decide. Like, there has to be some motivating factor.
Some motivating factor, yes. What's motivating more than living a long life? Simple. आपको वेंटिलेटर में आपकी लास्ट सांस लेने की अच्छा हंसते खेलते. There's no other motivation than this. See, I have lost a lot of close family friends in COVID, due to COVID.
Correct.
Now I feel कि उनको जरा सा मैं और फिट कर देता यार, हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल में ला लेता, शायद से वो आज हमारे साथ हो. So there's no other motivating factor than living the another day. So I don't think you need motivation other than that. You have to live your life. कल को उठना है, मॉम डैड को देखना है, अपने बच्चे लोगों को देखना है. So that's motivating enough for you to have a fit life. So that's a big takeaway for the people listening here. If you want to get fit now.
So we were talking something about we need not go to the gym, but what are the regular things that we can follow to keep ourselves fit? One is walking.
Mm-hmm.
One will be walking and use stairs.
One is squatting. Most of us, 80% of the people listening here might be using Indian toilets, right? So that's the best form of squatting. That's the best exercise. That opens up all the joints in your body. So at least squat. उठक बैठक जो बोलते हैं लोग. Yeah.
Trust me.
So yeah, squatting. And second, now the Surya Namaskar. Okay. अभी international market में it is known as the Hindu push-up. Okay, and it's one of the best body exercises. So जो हम लोग के पास पहले से था सूर्य नमस्कार, वो अभी अमेरिका में लोग हिंदू पुशअप्स बोल के फेमस कर रहे हैं. So that's one thing. If you are able to do a good Surya Namaskar, trust me, most of your body parts are involved in it. You will get fit. Your core stability, your back problems will all go away. So at least try to inculcate these 3 exercises: walking, your squatting, and your Surya Namaskar.
Okay. And any specific timings that we need to do exercise? Is it morning or evening or any specific time?
Nothing like that. See, everyone has the same 24 hours. Your body doesn't know whether it's what time it is. It's just our mind again. Okay, so just try to put at least 30 to 40 minutes of activity in your daily life and you are good to go. No need to see कि सुबह करना है, शाम को करना है. हाँ, the only factor is अगर सुबह कर लिया, आपके पास बहुत कुछ बच जाता है करने के लिए पूरे दिन में. Okay. Some people just don't wake up in the mornings because they don't have to do anything. If you are such a person, make sure that you work out first thing in the morning so that pura din you get an extra hour for the whole day. You lose a day because you get up late. As simple as that. If you get up at 6 in the morning, आपको लगेगा दिन खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. But if you get up at 10 in the morning, आपका दिन 12 घंटे में खत्म होने वाला है. So make a habit of working out in the morning till you get a hang of it.
Wow, nice. Superb, yeah. Guys, anybody has any question, please message your questions. Rocky is still there. So हम लोग fitness के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. I'm sure all of you are more interested now. But Rocky के पास टाइम नहीं है भाई. Rocky बहुत busy आदमी है.
नहीं यार, संडे मेरा एकदम फ्री टाइम रहता है.
शरद अन्ना is thumbs up. So he has got his 3 चीजें वो कल से definitely करने वाला है, walking, squatting और push-ups.
और राइस खाना बंद मत करो प्लीज. राइस इज वेरी गुड. दैट्स अ बिग मिसकंसेप्शन कि राइस खाने से पेट बढ़ता है, रात को राइस नहीं खाना चाहिए. इट्स ऑल बुलशिट. ट्रस्ट मी. You can eat your rice in the night. Just make sure you eat anything and everything before 2 hours before you go to sleep. You are good to go. No need to stop rice. No need to stop your rotis. No need to stop your potatoes. No, nothing. Eat everything in moderation. It's all good.
Correct. It's just that you have to take care that 2 hours before your sleep, just don't eat anything. That's it.
Yes, yes, yes.
What about liquids? What about water? You can have
Water is good. See, anything which has calories, which is hard to digest. The only reason because I say this is because when you sleep, your body is the most active at that time. It does the lot of repair work, recovery work when you are sleeping. That's the reason sleeping is necessary. Your brain is working the highest when you are sleeping. So when you have food in your system, the brain का आधा energy उसको digest करने में जाएगा. So it won't recover anything else. जब तक वो फूड डाइजेस्ट हुआ, सुबह हो गया, आप उठ गए, आधा काम रह गया. So when you have sleep with the empty system, your brain has much important work to do, which is finishes in the night. That's the simple basic analogy I can give to a layman here. Scientifically, it's a lot of things. There's a lot of hormones that come into play when you sleep. Your insulins go down, your cortisol level go down. So that's a lot of things that happens. But for a layman, simple, पेट में कुछ नहीं रहेगा, दिमाग और अच्छा काम करेगा. As simple.
Wow. So I think we need to pick up one topic of yours, and we have to bring it out one session separately.
Yes.
See, there are so many thank yous coming up, guys, for Rocky, for all the information that we are chatting about right now. In fact, I was checking information. I myself, I need all this information. Very layman. Exam, ये बहुत जरूरी है. जमाना हो गया अभी तक. बीच में थोड़ा स्टार्ट हो जाता है, फिर so
there's a question here.
Why is it easy to shape upper abs but very difficult to cut down lower and side fat?
Who is this question? किसका question है? अच्छा हाँ, bearded Santa. This is one of the friend I met while traveling. So yeah, his question.
So see, how long to grow your beard? I think 12 महीना बोला ना उन्होंने.
हाँ 12. Yeah, this is the beard of like let's say 2 years now. 1 साल 10 महीना हो गया. हाँ. So yeah. So the lower belly fat का thing. The lower belly fat का है कि for every male has adipose tissue decomposition. The fat cells in a male always come in the lower belly region and the love handles and the chest. So this is the first place your fat comes out and the last place the fats goes off from. And for females, it's the underarm, it's the hips and the legs. So these are the areas where your fat cells are actually deposited. So this is the first place that will grow and the last place to go out. Okay. So that's the reason. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, any more questions?
So someone asked, which is the best place you have seen when you were traveling across India? So all the places were good, but Northeast holds my heart. So Arunachal Pradesh was very beautiful, and Assam, there's this place known as Majuli. It's the Asia's biggest river island. So it's in the river Brahmaputra. So I spent like 2 days there. I had one more Gaurav Uchil with me, so he was also accompanying me for that trip. So yeah, so that was one of the beautiful place I traveled to.
Okay. Do you eat anything after sunset? So it's been खाओ कुछ भी खाओ, but 2 घंटे पहले थोड़ा आराम देना बॉडी को. Whatever I understand, I am only replying now.
No, that's good.
Yes. So any more questions, guys? We are almost done now. Thank you everyone for your participation. Or कुछ questions? Any quick questions, guys?
How many hours of sleep is recommended according to you? 7 hours straight, 6 to 7 hours.
By default. So guys, questions please. Rocky कल दिल्ली चला जाएगा, फिर वो जल्दी मिलता नहीं है वो. See the habit, guys. Water. मैंने ना कब से रखा है
Cheers, cheers.
So, last few questions, guys. How many hours of sleep हो गया ये? चलो. ठीक है,
Hello,
चलो.
hi.
You have anything to say, Rocky? Your final words for Moyers Connect. We'll definitely stay connected.
Yes, yes, yes. Thanks for having me here, man. This was awesome. I don't know a lot of people here in Moya, so I think I just met you once at some cricket event. So from there, I know you. So
Alcohol is safe when you're working
yeah.
out.
क्या?
How much of
Alcohol.
alcohol
See,
is safe when you're working out?
alcohol somewhere around 100 to 120 ml. Alcohol is not bad. Only thing is addiction of alcohol is bad, as I told you. Alcohol is
Correct.
all good. Yeah. So don't drink to be alcoholic. Drink like a gentleman. That's what my father says. So that's what I'll pass on here.
And how much
Because
does a
Beodak is
gentleman,
what? How much what?
how much does a gentleman drink or should drink?
Around 100 to 120 ml. That's it. Just to get the
A
buzz.
day? A day is fine.
A day, if you're habitual of it, it's fine. But only thing is, don't make again. If you drink it daily, alcohol has something which attacks your neurotransmitters, so that may get you addicted. So once a week is always fine. But again, if you're, but again, you should be at your bodily goals. You should be fit enough, or else it won't affect. If it will affect your health. In which ways? Health, as in if you have a lot of fat in your body, and if you still drink, then it's a problem for you. If you are
Okay.
fit enough, yeah, if you are at a good level of thing, yes, once or twice a week is very good. But again, क्यों इतना क्यों पीना है यार? क्या है उसमें? कुछ मिलता थोड़ी है.
And what about you?
Drink to
Do you
celebrate.
drink?
I drink to celebrate. I have very less occasions for it. If I achieve something, I keep my goal like this. If I achieve something, if I win something, if I buy something new for myself, I earn my alcohol. I don't drink it randomly. I had my times. I was a guy who used to drink Old Monk every week in my college. केमिस्ट्री क्लास में हम लोग HCl के डब्बे में डाल के पीते थे तो वो दिन भी देख चुके हैं लेकिन now no, I know I have better things to do in life, so I won't spend my time in, let's say, नशे में नहीं रहने का है मेरे को. So I need my brains very clear to work for my goals.
On us, नशा बहुत तरीके का हो सकता है. Something which will make your life. So वैसा नशा करो. And anyways, everything said and done. Thank you so much for being our guest, Rocky. It was fun talking to you. It was like a very,
Awesome.
very, very fun chat that I had so far. Because obviously we connect a lot. And, so much of information. ये repeat telecast बहुत चलने वाला है.
चलना
And
चाहिए.
to just tell everyone to join in to Hunar 2020, which is coming up this 18th, starting this 18th. So just request everyone to join in and participate wholeheartedly.
Guys, Sudesh तो सबको बोल चुका है. I would also urge everyone to get their kids to Hunar 2020 because I got here in life because I tried all my Hunars wherever possible. So there was no one to stop me. But if I had got some extra support at that time, I would be at a far more better place right now. So I want your kids, the next generation of Mayors, to be at a very high place in terms of their talent. Let them do, let their passion be their paycheck in the future. So if you want that to happen, please force your kids to take part into this. Force मत करो, बता दो करना है करने दो. But again, I would like maximum participations of everyone in the Hunar 2020. And thank you, Sudesh, for having me over. And this was a really awesome time. I had a lot of fun. And to all the other Moyas, Nani Nangale Bashali Munditla, sorry I am not that confident, but again, I didn't want this to turn out to be a comedy show. But still, I will try to talk to everyone who meets me face to face in our language. So yeah.
Oh, I just want to ask, like, if someone wants to get in touch with you in terms of health and nutrition related specific offers for Moyers, they can connect with you.
Yes, anyone in Bombay can visit my fitness studio here at Navi Mumbai. I am here. You can just reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. If people who are living outside India or outside Mumbai, we have this app known as Fitter app. You can connect to me through that app. I train my clients through that app. It's an online training portal. So yes, I'll share the links with Sudesh. He can just post it somewhere. If anyone wants to get in touch with me, you can DM me on Instagram and I'll be all helps.
Yes. Thank you so much, Rocky, and thank you everybody for tuning in to Merge Connect. We have come back after 2 weeks, but लगता नहीं है कि हम लोग किधर disconnected थे, and it was so much fun for being
Oh,
signing off for today. Thank you so
thank you.
much, guys.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye bye.
Bye.